I ask people what they want for their lives. Their response is usually, I don't know. Or what they do is they tell me what they want according to what they think is available to them. So, what I do is I back up and I go, okay, wait a minute, that's not going to work because what happens is we typically limit ourselves when we think about what it is we want. We feel like not everything is possible, right? We try to be realistic. However, when I rephrase the question using the idea of a magic wand, which is the most popular chapter in my book, what happens is my friends or my clients or whoever I ask this to, I say, okay, if I could wave a magic wand and your life could be anything, what would your life look like? And people all of a sudden start telling me their dreams, their desires. And as they do, they light up, they have more energy, they're more expansive. It's like they're a totally different person.